Hi folks, Ryan here at Charles Hurst. Just want to talk you through our latest dash cam that we have in stock. It's our NextBase model. Some of the key features of having the NextBase dash cam: it's got full integration and is compatible with any make, any model. It's easy footage and easy recovery as well, with built-in Wi-Fi. It's got accurate journey tracking, which means you can just go on and you can see it live on your phone. Permanent footage as well with a built-in micro SD card. High specification, great technology, and it's very discreet and it sits well out of the way of your windscreen. This dash cam that we have fitted to our GR Hilux at the minute is our front-facing camera. You can also upgrade and get a front and rear, which gives you visibility of both ends of the vehicle. We have plenty of these in stock, so if you want one fitted, give us a call or click the link and you can contact any of our service departments and the guys will get you booked in.